Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. Today I'm sharing my front patio refresh with you. So I'm going to take you step by step through the process and show you all that I did to get my patio in shape and decorated for fall. So let me show you what I started out with. This front patio gets a lot of use, but it wasn't a high priority. So now I want to take the time and give it a complete makeover and get it ready for fall. So I'm about to get started on the front porch. I have this chair that I got on clearance at IKEA, and I think it'd be really cute out here for fall, probably winter too. I'm gonna paint it, I think, black. And I obviously have some sweeping and cleaning to do. Now, this place is a total mess right now. I have our corn stalks back there. I'm gonna put those, I think, around my front window, our new chairs. We went ahead and donated our table and got it out of the way. And over here, so this was a kitchen table, and then it became a coffee table for a long time, and then I had my husband cut it in half and make it into benches. But we never painted the back two legs, and there's two of them. That's what the corn stalks are on over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to cleaning and painting.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again, you and me. Baby, you and me. There is no one else who can make me feel like I can do anything I dream of but you. We can fight all day and make love at night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we? Yeah. Yeah, we're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again, you and me, baby, you and me. You always leave me wanting more, baby, you and me, we're like the perfect storm, and you know that I can't get enough of you, no. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again, you and me.
So I am about 90% done, and I wanted to walk you guys through some of the ways I've decorated for fall out front and show you my Patio Refresh. First off, I love the corn stalks. I'm so glad we decided to grow them, and they're kind of hard to find in my area, so it was really nice to have them on hand and be able to put them around the window, do the little frame. I decided to use 2 buckets at the bottom. Those I've had on hand forever. They're from IKEA. They used to hold toys when the kids were little. And then I put in some pumpkins, but to raise them up, I used some Dollar Tree buckets down there. And this is all tamale wrappers and a bit of raffia from the Dollar Tree. Last year we got this scarecrow and I just gave him a new outfit using a little bit of buffalo check, and then I used a planter to put some mums in for fall, and I did the same thing over here with another pumpkin from Walmart. I like the way they kind of anchor the window at the bottom of all the corn stalks. Up above I did bring out the wreath that I refreshed, and I just hung it right in the middle of the window there. I love the corn stalks in the breeze. And I brought out my newest addition, this super cute pumpkin garden stake I just picked up, and that's just in a huge pot of succulents. So that's what the front window looks like. Now let me show you the patio. So now my patio is so ready for fall, and I love the new seating arrangement I have. So we actually picked up this little table at a thrift store for $10 a long time ago, and now we have some coordinating chairs. I just used my Walmart pillows on those, put a little table we had in between with a few of my plants and a pumpkin, and now behind that I have a place to store some of my succulents and a few of my pots. So let me take you guys back there. So back here I pretty much kept everything as is with the addition of the shelf. I recently had brought down these iron pieces and cleaned them up and painted them and put up some new fresh bamboo. Down here I brought out a few items from the house. The lantern that I rescued from the trash. I have a outdoor candle that I have to locate to put inside of it, and then I'll put it on a timer. Got my stacked pumpkins my husband made, some of my succulents, my recent find at Burlington, the little galvanized truck, and a cage that I thrifted. And I've got big buckets of chicks and hens on the sides. Down here I just have a few more items from my garden, getting ready to go ahead and add some plants to them. What I really like the most for the fall is the addition of the little banner from Target Dollar Spot. Super cute to look over this way and see the black and white buffalo, and it goes really well with my Walmart pillows. Over in this corner I always like to do something cute to distract from the fact that this is one of our garage doors. So I got a few mums. These all came from Walmart, and I potted them in some plastic liners and then just popped them in these beautiful galvanized tins that I got at Hobby Lobby. Now this is something I actually found at Home Depot many years ago for $5 on clearance. I just put a little burlap in there with a few pumpkins, my thrifted basket with some grapevine pumpkins, and that's a thrifted grapevine pumpkin down there. My little Walmart truck, I've still got to pot these mums, and my cinnamon broom from Trader Joe's. And now for my front door area. So I did pick up my new welcome mat from Target and my little grocery store kitty. I'll be adding more Halloween out here soon. I took all the tamale wrapper picks I made in pumpkins out of the other wreath. It was just too small, and added them to a larger wreath. And then over here Once the chair was all painted, it made it super fun to decorate. I just put a lantern that I thrifted down there, brought out my little DIY wagon and put some mums in it. And this is another one of my clearance Hobby Lobby galvanized tins that I put some mums in. Another pumpkin and the little scarecrow girl that I DIY'd last year, along with this sign from Hobby Lobby. And I just added a little galvanized bow there in the corner and brought out some twigs that I like to use. So that's it, guys. That does it for my front patio refresh and fall decorate with me. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along and seeing the process as I refreshed my front patio. I've already spent some good time out here in my new chairs. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.